Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yuan again from Chayatsuji Kimono. As you can see, this is actually the place that I store my Obijime in. There's actually a full layer underneath, as well as a couple of fancy Obijime in that one because they wouldn't fit in here. What I wanted to talk to you today about is actually these strings that I used to want to tie all the Obijime with individually. I just got here just a loose one. I hope I can show you with one hand. It's kind of tricky. There we go. There we go. So as you can see, they're about 1 centimeter in width and about 10 to 15 centimeters in length. I actually cut them from a spare piece of fabric that I had laying around a couple of years ago. And they're just really handy when it comes to storing your Obijime, especially if you have a lot of them. I think there are about 40 Obijime in here. And I cut different ones as well, like the red one I used to tie round Obijime with, and the purple ones are for flat Obijime. So you can, this is just something that I do, just that I can differentiate between different kinds of Obijime. As it's kind of, well, for me, it makes really easy to just grab a single Obijime without having all your Obijime tangled up in one pile. Because as you can see, if I ever do this and I want to grab down one, then everything is just becoming chaos, and that's something that I just don't want. But yeah, this is kind of just a hack that I want to show you, especially for storing them, because this makes storing them much easier, and especially if you want to reorganize things, you can put them back straight away without having to detangle every single one of them. So I hope this helps you a little bit. I hope you found it a great help, and yeah, I hope I wish you a very nice day, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye guys.